Let's start. So students, I had sent you videos you people might have watched. Now let's revise the chapter, recall the things, and I will be entertaining your doubts. Any doubt if you are having, you are free to ask me. Yes, do you have any doubt? Radiation I have not explained yet. Who was asking? Okay. This boy iPhone, whose phone is written iPhone? किसी स्टूडेंट का आईफोन लिखा हुआ है, उसको नाम चेंज करके अपना नाम लिखो वहां पे। एक स्टूडेंट का वीवो लिखा हुआ है, मुझे किसी के भी वीवो या आईफोन लिखा हुआ नहीं चाहिए, वहां पे आपका नाम लिखा होना चाहिए। एवरी स्टूडेंट्स नेम शुड बी देयर। यस स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इज वैक्यूम? वेरी गुड। वैक्यूम बेसिकली मींस, लेट्स से दिस इज अ स्पेस। ओके, कुछ स्पेस है हमारे पास यहाँ पे। लेट्स से दिस इज अ बॉक्स। ओके, सो व्हाट इज इनसाइड द बॉक्स? व्हाट विल बी इनसाइड द बॉक्स? एयर। एयर। Yes or no? Air will be there. Yes, air will be there in the box. Yes or no? So air is there. So let's say I'm applying a pump here. Okay, I'm putting a pump here, and the pump is taking all the air out and throw it out into the atmosphere. So when inside the box, one time will be there will be no air inside the box. At one period of time there will be no air inside. That time we will say there is vacuum inside the box. Clear? Clear? Any other doubt? What can be the definition of vacuum? Yes, vacuum basically means absence of air. What is vacuum? It is absence of air. Okay, when there is air is not present, air is there, we have removed the air, we will say that there is vacuum. Clear? Now it's my turn to ask you the questions. Yes, Sabir, what do you mean by heat transfer? What do you mean by heat transfer? Naman, put your phone on mute. Yes, Sabir, unmute yourself and speak. What is heat transfer? From a hot object to cold object. Okay. Okay. Put your phone on mute. Good. Let's move to Parneet Kaur. Parneet Kaur, unmute yourself. Parneet, we are having two objects. Okay. We are having two objects. This object is at, this object is having 80 degrees Celsius temperature. This object is having 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, and if they are in contact with each other, heat will be transferred from which object to which object? Heat will be transferred from which object to which object? Yes, Praneet. From, this is object A, this is object B. From which object to which object? It will flow from hot object to cold object. But here I have given you two objects. One is A, other is B. So heat will transfer from A to B or B to A? A to, I am not asking other students. Let me ask So whoever I am asking, okay, I will get to you. Don't unmute yourself in between. Otherwise, I'll leave the meeting and stop it here. Yes, Parneet. Heat will flow from A to B or B to A. Why? Why? I'm asking.
Because the heat flows from an object at high temperature to another object at lower temperature.
Very good. Heat will flow from object at higher temperature to the object at lower temperature. Very good. Okay, let's move further. So here we have written heat always moves from a warmer place to a cooler place. Hot objects in a cooler room will cool to room temperature. Cold objects in a warmer room will heat up to room temperature. So there will be, कहने का मतलब यह है कि आपकी जो हीट है वो हायर टेम्परेचर टू लोअर टेम्परेचर में क्या होएगी, ट्रांसफर होएगी. क्लियर? यस. लेट मी आस्क द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आई एम आस्किंग दिस टू अक्षय अग्रवाल. अक्षय, कैन यू हेयर मी? अक्षय, अक्षय, if you don't respond, I'll remove you from the class. Yes. What is the answer of first question? What is the answer of first question? Others also read it. Quick. Read? Have you read it?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer? Yes.
Cup of tea and a red popsicle. The cup of tea and a red popsicle came to the room temperature.
Why? Why?
Because they are not getting heat and cold air from it.
Fatehdeep Singh, first thing is that you should not give the answer. I was asking to Akshay. Now if you had given the answer, now let me repeat it. If a cup of coffee and a red popsicle were left on the table in the room, what would happen to them? Obviously, the cup of coffee, it will lose its heat. It will lose its, because coffee will be at higher temperature and your room will be at lower temperature. So coffee will give it heat to the room. So room will attain the heat, will gain the heat, and coffee will lower its temperature. Coffee आपकी ठंडी हो जाएगी. On the other hand, if you are having a popsicle, this is at lower temperature. Yes or no? ठंडी होती है या नहीं होती है? This is having low, this is at lower temperature. So what will happen? The room is at higher temperature. So this will gain the heat and it will melt down. It will, clear? So answer is written here. The cup of coffee will cool until it reaches room temperature. The popsicle will melt and then the liquid will warm to the room temperature. Clear? Yes or no? Let's move further. What are the three modes of heat transfer? What are the three modes of heat transfer? Let me ask this. Gursahib Noor. Gursahib Noor.
Yes, sir.
What are the three modes of heat transfer?
Three modes of heat transfer.
Yes. What are the three modes of heat transfer? That much time you need? Piyush, Piyush, what are the three modes of heat transfer?
First, conduction. Second,
Yes, conduction. Yes, I'm asking Piyush. First, he has said conduction. So many are raising the hand. Akhilesh Soni.
yes, yes, sir.
What is answer?
First is conduction.
Conduction.
First is conduction. Second is convection. Third is radiation.
Very good. Conduction, convection, and radiation. Yes or no? Very good. So these are the three modes of heat transfer. Very good. Can anyone explain me about conduction?
Sir,
Wait, raise your hands. You raise your hands, I will ask you. No, raise your hand only. I said don't ask me, raise your hand only. I will ask you. Raise your hands. Those who know the answer. Vardhan, put yourself on mute. Yes, only these many. Gurneet Singh. Gurneet Singh Vilku. Gurneet. What is conduction?
heat transfer from hot object to the colder object.
Then then when the heat transfer from hot object to cold object, this is conduction. Heat always flows from hot object to cold object. What is conduction? Yes. What is conduction? I'm asking this. What conduction means? Gursaj. 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 I'm asking Gursaj. Aditi.
Yes,
Aditi.
sir.
What is conduction?
It is a mode of heat in which the heat flows from a hotter to the colder parts
नो,
of the body.
होटर टू कोल्डर पार्ट इज ओके, बट फिर तो वो तो कन्वेक्शन के केस में भी ऐसे ही होता है. हीट तो आपकी हमेशा हाई टेम्परेचर टू लो टेम्परेचर ही फ्लो करती है. तो कंडक्शन और कन्वेक्शन के अंदर फिर डिफरेंस क्या हुआ? व्हाट कंडक्शन इज एग्जैक्टली कंडक्शन क्या? वेट, लेट इशपुनीत आंसर दिस. इन दी सॉलिड्स, ही सेड सॉलिड्स. नाउ लेट्स सॉलिड को बड़ा करके देखें तो इसके अंदर क्या है? There are atoms. Yes. So what will happen if I start heating the first, this atom will gain the heat? Yes or no? They will. Yes. Very good. So heat will flow from one end to another end by the direct contact of the atoms or the uh, two objects in contact. If I say conduction, conduction means the objects are in contact with each other. There are two objects, they are in contact with each other. So the heat transfer when the two objects are in contact with each other, that is called conduction. Clear? Yes or no? Sure. Now you see here, when you heat a metal strip at one end, the heat travels to the other end. When you heat a metal strip at one end, the heat travels to the other end. कोई example देगा मेरे को इसकी? Can anyone give me the example? No, not every time you. No, no, Gurashish. Every time you people are not going to answer. Let others to respond. Tanya, Tanya. तान्या, Arman Khera. They have not connected the audio. This Arman Khera, Minu Sadev and Rasneet Kaur. Kiratman Kaur. Kiratman Kaur, can you give me the example of this particular thing? When you heat a metal strip at one end, the heat transfer to the other end. Which one? Example बताओ.
There is a cup of coffee and that is a water, then it transfer.
I'm not getting properly. Any other child? Let me ask others. Kashvi. Kashvi, can you give me the example? Can you give me example? Yes? No. No answer? Harsh. Harsh. Very poor response of the class. Saksham Bedi.
सर
Yes, can.
पहले हम तो एक स्पून लेंगे तो बर्नर के ऊपर लगेंगे उसका एक एंड और दूसरे एंड को हम अपने हाथ से पकड़ लेंगे तो
Very
जब
good.
उसका जो एंड हमने बर्नर के ऊपर रखा वो हीट होगा जो उसके अंदर एटम्स हैं वो पहले तो गर्म हो जाएंगे फिर वाइब्रेट करेंगे लेकिन अपनी वो पोजीशन ही चेंज करेंगे उसके बाद फिर वो हीट ट्रांसफर कर देंगे अगर अदर एटम्स को
Very good.
दूसरा एंड है जो हाथों से पकड़ा वो भी गर्म हो जाएगा
Very
ये
good.
हमें वो दिखाती है कि ट्रांसफर होती है
Very, very good. You are Saksham Bedi?
यस सर
Whenever you give the answer, you should reduce your speed. You was very fast, okay? From next time you take care. So he was very, what do you say, excited to give the answer. That is very good. I'm very happy, Saksham. Now you see the, let's say this is burner here and I'm heating this spoon. What will happen? The atoms are there. They will gain the heat. They will not change their position and they will give the heat to the other atoms in contact with each other, in contact with them. So in this way, heat will be transferred slowly and reaches to this end. It started heating from this end and heat started moving from this end will be at higher temperature, this end will be at lower temperature, so heat started flowing from higher temperature to the lower temperature. Clear? That is conduction. Is it or not?
यस सर
Very good. Here it is written, as you heat the metal, it is written there, as you heat the metal, the particles vibrate. These vibrations make the adjacent particles in vibrate, and so on. The vibrations are passed along the metal, and so it heat. We call this conduction. We call this conduction. What will happen? This atom will gain the heat, it will transfer to the next atom, this will transfer to the next atom, this will transfer to the next atom, and slowly this end which was gaining heat, which was at a higher temperature, this will transfer its heat to the end at lower temperature. Clear? Yes or no? Yes. Hmm.
यस सर
Very good. Now let's come to, I have written here something. You try to understand. The outer electrons of metal atoms drift and are free to move. क्या होता है, आपका जो एटम होता है उसके अंदर सेंटर पे प्रोटॉन्स होते हैं और उसके बाहर शेल्स के अंदर क्या होते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. क्या होते हैं? And free, few electrons in atoms are free to move. They can freely move. That's why they are called conductors. मेटल्स के पास फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं जो करंट को कंडक्ट करते हैं. ओके, तो ये जो रेड कलर के आपको डॉट्स नजर आ रहे हैं यहाँ पर, इफ यू सी हेयर, these dots, these are free electrons, these are free.
यस सर
Clear? Yes, very good. So the outer electrons of metal atoms drift and are free to move. ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है ये घूम सकते हैं बाहर और दे आर फ्री टू मूव। व्हेन द मेटल इज हीटेड द सी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन मीन ये जो क्या बोलेंगे, सी को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में, समंदर। ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का जो समंदर है, जो कितने सारे जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं, व्हाट विल हैपन, दे विल गेन हीट, दे विल गेन
heat,
they will gain heat. When they will gain heat, their kinetic energy will increase, and they will transfer heat to the entire metal. Clear?
yes sir, yes sir.
Very good. Insulators, read this. Can anyone read this? Insulators such as wood, read it.
Insulators are such a wood and plastic do not have this sea of electrons, which is why they are they do not conduct heat as well as metal.
Clear? So the insulators like wood and plastic, they do not have these free electrons. So if there are no free electrons, the heat will not be transferred. So if you are having a plastic spoon in your hand and you are heating it, this will melt down. This portion of the spoon will melt down, but heat will not be, this portion of the spoon will melt down, but heat will not be transferred from this end to another end. Clear? Because this is insulator of heat. It will not conduct heat to flow because there are no free electrons present. Clear? On the other hand, metals are different. Metals are different from wood and plastic. Clear? Very good. Very good. Now, what does metal feel? Why does metal feel colder than wood if they are both at same temperature? Can anyone tell me? If both are at same temperature, why does metal feel? Why does it is written over there? Why does metal feel colder than wood if they are both at same temperature? If wood and metal piece both are at same temperature, at room temperature, both are at same temperature, if both are at same temperature, so why?
Sir, because the metal
Yes,
conducts the heat away.
very good, very good, very good, right answer. Metals, ये metals क्या हैं? They are good conductors of heat. So what will they do? ये आपके हाथ में से heat को extract करेंगे. They will remove the heat from your hand. Yes or no? They will remove the heat from your hand. हीट जो है आपके जो हैंड्स हैं आपके, यहां से हीट आपकी मेटल में ट्रांसफर हो जाएगी. हीट विल बी ट्रांसफर टू दी मेटल पीस. सो द टेम्परेचर ऑफ योर हैंड विल फॉल डाउन एंड यू विल फील कोल्ड. ओके, आपके हाथ को ठंडा लगेगा. बट ऑन द अदर हैंड दिस वुडन पीस, it cannot take the heat away from your hand, so this will not feel cool to your hand. Clear? Very good, very good. So what convection means now? What is the meaning of convection? Let's come here. I will someone is creating disturbance in the class. Gursaib Noor, put your phone on mute, otherwise leave the class. Yes. So here you see convection. What happens to the particle in a liquid or a gas when you heat them? जब आप किसी लिक्विड या गैस के पार्टिकल्स को हीट करते हो तो क्या होता है? The particles spread out and become less dense. Yes, you are right. Let me explain it. Very good. Let me explain it. Please don't speak in between. Let me explain. I am going to remove those students, those who are creating indiscipline in the class. I have removed her. Now this is convection. Convection means what? When you heat these particles, when you are heating these particles, what will happen? These particles will gain energy. ये एनर्जी इतनी ज़्यादा हो जाएगी कि ये जो पार्टिकल्स के अंदर जो इंटरमॉलिकुलर जो फोर्सेस हैं, ये पार्टिकल और ये पार्टिकल के बीच में जो इंटरमॉलिकुलर फोर्स है, इन दोनों के बीच में जो फोर्स है, इसके बीच में और इसके बीच में जो फोर्स है वो कम हो जाएगी, बिकॉज ये दे विल गेन द हीट एंड दे विल बी एबल टू ओवरकम द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन and they will leave each other and they will move here and there. Okay, the particles will spread out and becomes less dense. the particles will the particles will spread out and becomes less dense. Clear? Is it or not? So the heat will be transferred from one, these particles will spread out and becomes less dense, so they will move here and there and will transfer heat to the entire liquid. Let's say if I'm talking about water, okay, if I'm talking about water, let's say मेरे पास पानी है, I'm having water here, so what will happen if I'm heating the water? ये जो नीचे वाले जो water molecules हैं, they will get the heat. बेटा इवेपोरेट मत सोचो, हर चीज पानी को गर्म करो तो हर बार इवेपोरेशन नहीं सोचनी, पहले ये सोचो ना इवेपोरेशन तक पहुंचते पहुंचते हीट कैसे हीट हो गए सारा पानी। जब हमने इसको हीट दी तो ये वाले पार्टिकल्स पहले हीट गेन करेंगे। क्लियर? दीज पार्टिकल्स विल गेन द हीट, दे विल मूव, ये वाले पार्टिकल्स ऊपर जाएंगे और जो कूलर पार्टिकल्स हैं दे विल मूव डाउन। द हॉटर पार्टिकल्स विल मूव अप एंड कूलर पार्टिकल्स विल मूव डाउन। क्लियर? ये जो हॉटर पार्टिकल्स हैं वो ऊपर मूव करेंगे, कूलर पार्टिकल नीचे मूव करेंगे। इन दैट इन व्हाट, तो उसमें क्या होगा आपका, ये कन्वेक्शन करंट्स सेटअप हो जाएंगे। कूलर पार्टिकल नीचे आई जाएंगे, हीट गेन कर करके ऊपर जाते जाएंगे और आपका पूरे का पूरा जो इंटायर लिक्विड है वो क्या हो जाएगा, इट विल हीट अप। द इंटायर लिक्विड विल रीच द सेम टेम्परेचर। क्लियर? लेट मी एक्सप्लेन इट अगेन, let me explain it again. So here there is a liquid. If you are heating the liquid, what is happening when you heat the liquid? ये सबसे नीचे वाले जो पार्टिकल्स हैं सबसे पहले वो हीट गेन करेंगे. Yes, they will gain the heat and they will move upward. Clear? So जो ठंडे वाले पार्टिकल्स हैं, they will start moving down. They will gain heat, then they will move to the upper surface. So in this way, the full liquid, the entire liquid, it will gain the same temperature. And after that, when it will gain 100 degree or like that, then it will boil or evaporate or whatsoever. Okay, I am telling you the way how the heat is transferred in case of liquids. The heat is transferred in case of liquids by convection currents. Convection currents sets up the heat. जो आपके particles हैं नीचे वाले वो ऊपर की तरफ मूव करना शुरू हो जाते हैं, जो ठंडे वाले हैं वो नीचे मूव करते हैं. तो in this way convection currents set up. Clear? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
I have written here, you can see here, cooler liquids and gases sink down. जो ठंडे पार्ट लिक्विड्स हैं वो नीचे आ जाएंगे और जो गर्म है वो ऊपर चले जाएंगे. इन दिस वे जो आपके हैं कन्वेक्शन करंट सेटअप हो जाएंगे. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? So that was about today. If you have doubts, you can ask me. Yes? Okay. Now it's time to finish up the class. Thank you. Thank you very much.